you're in for another long day, and your papers are already piled up. Oh, and Irvin just remembered to give you that order that was due 2 days ago. Stupid Irvin. It's already 1:22, and there's more work to be done. Then the back pains strike. But take a look over there. That's Sally. And Sally isn't worried about being stressed or dealing with unnecessary back pains. Why? She uses Dharma. And with Dharma, she sits smart. Using highly sensitive fiber optic sensors, Dharma measures precisely how you sit. Then, through the Dharma app, it coaches you to sit better. No one should sit for too long. Dharma has a built-in timer and reminds you when it's the right time to stand up. Sometimes people have bad sitting habits. By learning how you sit, Dharma guides you through specific stretches to counteract those bad habits.
Hi, we're Black Sumac.
We've been working on something really exciting, and we're getting ready to show it to the world.
It's called Piper.
Piper is your home's companion. It's security, automation, and environmental monitoring, all in one neat little package.
Piper's job is to stay at home while you're out and keep an eye on things. It keeps your place secure, monitors its vitals, and makes your home smarter.
It's a beautiful piece of hardware that works with the Piper app on smartphones and tablets. It's simple, elegant, and powerful.
Use Piper daily as a monitor to check in on what's going on at home. The wide-angle video lets you pan and zoom around to see the whole scene. Use it as a home automation hub. Piper's built-in Z-Wave controller means it works with a whole bunch of accessories to make your home a smarter place to live.
Use it as a security system. Set up rules for what Piper does when you're at home, away, or on vacation. Piper will notify you and people in your trusted circle when a security event happens and show you a video of the event.
Hi, my name is Mayor Al-Harar, and I know that the most difficult task of pet ownership is leaving your pet all alone at the house every day, sometimes 8 to 9 hours a day. As we go about on our daily duties, whether it's work, school, travel, whatever that may be, well, we've invented Polly.
Known for its award-winning concept, Polly is an electronic device that allows you, the pet owner, to interact with your pet while away from home. Polly comes with a built-in camera, microphone, and speaker, so you can have a two-way interaction with your loving house animal. Polly's team of engineers are also pet owners, so they are very careful when it comes to the detail of the product.
This is our second generation prototype. It's mostly made out of 3D printing. It uses the Raspberry Pi and other off-the-shelf components. We're quickly moving through our next iterations, and we're building version 3, which should be ready anytime.
If you wanted to transform yourself, how would you start? First, identify the habits that hold you back. Pair them with a negative stimulus, like electric shock. Each surge of voltage trains your brain and weakens the neural connection until the bad habit is severed. Next, replace the bad habit with a positive one. Reward yourself when you complete your daily goal. Commit to a penalty if you fail. The fear of loss stimulates your basal ganglia, while the chance of reward motivates your prefrontal cortex.
CityLock is a comfortable bicycle saddle that easily transforms into a foldable, tough lock.
Anybody with a bike can use the CityLock, and turning the CityLock from saddle into lock takes less than 30 seconds.
Just remove the saddle, open it to a 1 meter long sturdy chain, and lock it to any fixed object. The result, a safe, easy to use, highly comfortable solid lock. Unlocking and reinstalling the saddle is equally easy. CityLock is situated in the center of gravity of your bike, so unlike any old-fashioned heavy locks, you won't feel the burden of carrying it while riding.
Today, my dream is to create the bionic bird for the 21st century. It will be connected. It's a flying app. Here is Bionic Bird. This is the prototype. The egg is a portable charger. You can charge a bird in less than 12 minutes. Bionic Bird is only 8.5 grams. It has an electric motor of 0.8 watt, a rotation speed of 55,000 RPM, an aluminum sink, and a lithium polymer battery. It also has a great design inspired by nature. Plus, it can fly as high as 100 yards. Finally, I have my flying app.
What's this? Hello. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jared.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light.
Ladies and and gentlemen, Flight 1427 to New York is now boarding at Gate 3. Please hurry so you can find a place to store your carry-on luggage. Assuming you were even able to carry it on and the airline didn't make you check it because you packed too much. Hopefully you all have a Blue Smart, the world's first smart carry-on suitcase.
Introducing Blue Smart, the first carry-on that connects to your smartphone with revolutionary features, including a digital lock, proximity sensors, location tracking, trip tracking information, a built-in digital scale, and if that wasn't enough, a built-in battery that can charge your phone 6 times over. Designed for today's sophisticated traveler. And even guys like this.
Why air egg? Brody and I, of course, playing first-person shooter, we're sitting there on the couch. He's driving this Jeep. I'm on the back, and I'm pounding away with the gun, and he's hitting the bumps, and then the thing explodes. On the screen, we go flying, but there's really nothing except a little vibration. What good is that? Like, it's something missing here. And we started thinking about, wow, you know, that would be great if we could kind of get that feeling across.
Not only do you feel the impact, but you feel the spread and you get the kickback. And it's all there, the whole experience, and that's when you actually feel like you're totally immersed.
And with air egg, that's what you get.
My name is Brody Stanfield. I'm the president and co-founder of IFTech.
My name is Michael Stanfield, and I'm the vice president and co-founder. Gaming today is a two-dimensional product. Experience is limited to sight and sound, and so we're providing a new dimension. It's a suit, it's a haptic product that provides sensory stimulation, taking the user into the game.
Whether it be sound, sensations of touch, the idea of the impact, air egg will put you into that experience that you've always wanted. There are 3 major components to this suit. There's the decoder, the exoskeleton, and the sim skin. The decoder is the piece that attaches actually to your console or platform, takes the information, then it brings that and sends it to the exoskeleton. The exoskeleton is now the component that sort of has all the pieces in air egg that you're wearing, from the nervous system, which is the feedback, to the control center, which takes the information from the decoder, as well as the power supply to make sure it's wireless.
The sound that we're providing is a patented sound. It's quite a different experience.
We want to make it surround sound feel, so the idea is we have 6 speakers, 2 on the front on this side, 2 on that side, and then on the back, 1 here and 1 here, as well as a subwoofer.
You're always in the sweet spot, no matter where you are.